On the world map, there's one tiny island people still freak out about. 'Cause anyone who goes in just doesn't come back. From above, it looks calm, almost pretty. But that's just the jungle pretending it's friendly. The Indian government straight up banned anyone from going near it. Even being 5 kilometers close is illegal. This jungle isn't just thick. It's like it was built to shut outsiders out. The Sentinelese have lived here for 60,000 years. And trust me, they do not want company. The first people who tried to say hi got hit with a clear message: leave or else. And anyone who ignored that warning found out the hard way. A rescue helicopter even tried to help after a disaster, and the Sentinels fired arrows at it like it was nothing. Between killer bugs, toxic plants, and coral sharp enough to slice boats, this island is basically a natural fortress. And honestly, the world now knows the safest way to survive North Sentinel Island is to stay far away. Their culture's been untouched for thousands of years. Every tool handmade, every tradition passed down raw. No electricity, no metal, no machines, just fire, wood, and nature running the whole show. India protects this place like a force field, not to lock them in, but to keep everyone else out. The ocean even built its own defense system, coral walls that rip boats apart before they hit shore. The Sentinelese move like shadows. You only see them when they decide you can. They're one of the last groups on Earth untouched by the modern world. Even a regular cold could wipe them out. Our germs are more dangerous to them than their arrows are to us. 2 fishermen drifted too close one night and never made it back. When the Coast Guard showed up, all they found was an empty boat. Here, the jungle doesn't wait for anything. It takes back whatever touches it. To the Sentinelese, every wave, every sound, every outsider is a threat. Every arrow is carved by hand, passed down like sacred survival knowledge. Their message has always been simple: don't step on our land. At night, the island gets even quieter. But the Sentinels don't sleep on danger. One wrong step in those swamps, and the jungle swallows you whole. Even the ocean feels like it's warning people, stay away from this place. To them, this forest is everything, untouched, unchanged, and protected for thousands of years. We built skyscrapers. They built survival. 2 worlds that were never meant to mix. Protecting this island saves them. And honestly, it saves us too. And that's why North Sentinel Island is still the one place on Earth you're not allowed to visit. And maybe the only place that truly needs to stay untouched.